¡Cálmate, mono!
Me voy a recargar.
Yo quería venir en la pechuga, ¿no?
¿Qué onda, bro? hope you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely enjoyed shooting it here in Xalapa, my first Mexican city in 2021 that I'm visiting, and so far I'm really loving it. Just a taste of some of the vegetation in Parque Berros, I believe it is, here in the city. If you enjoyed that video, I have other videos of Xalapa. They should be at the beginning of the Back in Mexico playlist, parentheses 2021. And I say back in Mexico because I've previously been in Mexico before, bicycling through the country while I was bicycling through Latin America from Canada to Argentina. And I have playlists of all those countries that I bicycled through, as well as the countries that I bicycled through in Eastern Africa, in Eastern Europe, the Balkans, Turkey, etc. All those videos are available on this same YouTube channel, Hum of the Earth. And if you'd like to see an interactive map of everywhere that I went and everything that I got to see and do during those adventures, that interactive map is available over on my website, followthehumoftheearth.com, where you can click on the different locations and see the various blog posts and videos that I've made of those places. If you'd like to follow my continuing adventures going through Mexico, interacting with the locals, learning a thing or two along the way, you can do that by subscribing to the channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below the video and by clicking on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. And click the like button if you like the video. Leave me a comment if you want to let me know what you thought. And have a great one.